Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I will show guys how to power off lava phone. Friends, you want to power off your any Android phone and friends any lava phone. So how to power off, and today friends I will show you guys a secret setting. Then friends you can power off your lava phone guys without press any volume and power off button. So guys, now let's see how to power off lava phone without any button. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting, you can scroll it and can click on guys your lava phone intelligent assistant setting. Friends, click here and then scroll it. Friends, click on last option accessibility setting, and friends you can see text and display talkback. Friends, you want to on talkback, you can on from here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you will find here accessibility menu setting. Friends, click here and friends on your accessibility menu shortcut, and friends allow here, and friends OK option, and friends come back. Friends, now you can see the three dot on your screen. Click here. Friends, you can see there are many settings. Friends, you want to lock screen, you can lock screen with shortcut setting. Friends, you can take a screenshot without click any button. Guys, click here and you can take a screenshot. So I will click again. Then we'll click on power off setting. Friends, you want to power off, you want to restart, you want to shut down. Means power off and shut down, they both are same. Friends, click here and tap here. Friends, your power phone will power off. And guys, after 1 minute 2 minutes friends, you want to power on your phone, so friends you can power on. So a long press and guys your phone will power on. So guys, now guys we will wait. So friends, after 15 seconds and 20 seconds guys, phone will power on, and friends now you can use your phone. So like it friends, we can power off and power on our lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.